Well, hot damn! It's a jambalaya. Welcome to my vlog. It's Fernie. I just woke up. I don't know where I am. It's the middle of this place. This is my scenery. This is my scenery. Check it out. Oh, wow. It was absolutely freezing last night, and it sucked. But now I'm gonna run up that mountain right there. We're beginning the trip in eastern Washington. Slept in that little car right there. We're driving down in Oregon. I'm gonna be checking out the Painted Hills. Beautiful spot. I'm excited to see it. Let's do it. Let's get crazy. Okay, let's go. I'm a real man now. Just buried my first outdoor poop of the road trip. I'm one with nature. Nature's my bitch. Burying your own poop, that's the sign of a real outdoor adventurer. So, just picked up this little Sony Cybershot for $20 on Facebook Marketplace, and it totally has that like old school like MySpace photo effect. So it's pretty fun. And I'm basically just gonna use this to take like fun silly pictures and like videos on the trip. So if you see videos in this vlog that are like totally crap quality, shout out Sony Cybershot. Caroline keeps flashing the truck drivers. No one's honked yet. Don't do it on the vlog. This is... Oh, look at my surroundings. It's so dope. Going over to Colombia. Okay, so I may be trespassing, but look how freaking pretty it is. Also, by the way, I'm in Oregon now. Look at it. Guys, it is so windy out here, but we had to stop because look how cool it is. Exploring this cool abandoned house. But look at their awesome view. That's so cool. Bathtub, anyone? Caroline's got the photography skills. Alright, try to walk across this. You think it's safe? Oh yeah, that's cool.
Damn, look at this abandoned place.
Who goes there? Ah! Get off my property! I got a shotgun!
Check out all the wind turbines. They're harvesting my farts. Or should I say fart turbines? So I just entered the town of Condom, and I just passed D Street. What the heck? The town of Condom. Condom, Oregon. What's next in the town of Condom? Stay tuned. If you guys can see this, but it all says welcome to Condom. Welcome to Condom. Welcome to Condom. Every sign. Welcome to Condom. Oh, what does that one say? Oh, welcome to Condom. Oh, what does that one say? Welcome to the historic downtown Condom. Oh no. There's a historic Condom here. That's just messed up, man. If I haven't said already, we are on our way to the Painted Hills. In the world is that? It looks like ice cream, man. I just want to take a bite.
No.
And this is why we never make it to the Painted Hills on time. Because Caroline insists on stopping at every freaking outcropping of freaking rocks. More rocks! She wants to see more of these gosh dang rocks. Is that really so impressive that we have to stop every 5 gosh dang minutes? Man. Whamming, am I right? Look, it's painted. Look at the rock, it's painted. This is Caroline delaying the trip once again to go pee. And we're right beside the painted rocks.
Oh my god. You have had to pee more than me.
Yeah, but I just pee anywhere. Because I'm crazy. Wow, look at this person just making us waste time on this beautiful sunset, so we have to pee like normal civilized persons in restrooms, stinky restrooms. Getting the last glimpse of the sunset out here at the Painted Hills, and a little bit of summer rain. A little bit of summer rain is falling on my head, and it's pretty glorious. The sun came out just in time for us to get this shot, and the wind died down, and God was like, you know what, you drove 3 hours to get here, here's a beautiful view for you to capture, and beautiful it is. Look at that. It's quite lovely, wouldn't you say?
I'd say so. I think that was worth 3 hours.
Painted Hills? Oh yeah. This is the science I'm talking about. They're ruining the magic. But it is fascinating. Lots of pretty colors in the sky today. Wow. These photos are orgasmic. Okay, I should stop before these people are looking at me weird. Oh my god, look at this. Look at it. That's amazing. Oh my god, it's the Sam Squamch! Here's some more painted rock colors for you all. What do you guys think about these colors? It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. What? Why is there a tree there? Okay, I have to vlog this because I'm literally eating beans out of a teacup. And this is how unprepared we came. Don't be like us. Prepare for camping. So you're not eating beans out of a teacup. Beans out of a teacup! We had a camp stove, so we were half prepared. But still, beans out of a freaking teacup!